Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Ubuntu packages on your AWS Lightsail VPS, full guide step by step clearly. To update Ubuntu packages on your AWS Lightsail VPS, first, connect to your VPS using SSH. Open your terminal application. Type in the SSH command to connect to your server. Replace your _username and your _IP_ address with your actual VPS username and IP address. Press Enter. Once connected, you'll see the command line of your Ubuntu server. Before updating packages, it's a good practice to check the current package list. Run the command sudo apt update. This command retrieves the latest package information from the repositories. Wait for the command to complete. After the update command finishes, you can upgrade your installed packages. Run the command sudo apt upgrade. This command upgrades all outdated packages to their latest versions. You'll see a prompt asking for confirmation. If prompted, type Y and press Enter to continue the upgrade process. Once the upgrade is complete, you may want to remove unnecessary packages. Run the command sudo apt auto remove. This command cleans up your system by removing packages that were automatically installed and are no longer needed. Finally, it's always a good idea to restart your server after significant updates. You can do this by typing sudo reboot. Once your server reboots, you're all set. Your Ubuntu packages are now updated on your AWS Lightsail VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.